Hello everyone, my name is Ashish and I'm an educator on Unacademy CAT YouTube channel. CAT results are out and you guys are looking for the best possible college that you can get based on your marks. But in this video, I'm going to list a few colleges, few best colleges who give profile based calls. What I mean to say is if you have scored some less marks in CAT, but if your profile is very good, you can expect calls from these colleges. So let's quickly check out the list. So the first college in my list is obviously SPJAN, the best of the lot. Yes. The average fees of SPJAN is 18 lakhs approximately, as I said. An average CTC they offer is 26 lakhs, and the exam they accept is CAT. Acha, what is the difference ki sir, if I get a profile based call, what is my benefit in terms of percentile? So if it is not a profile based call, if it is not a profile based call, you'll receive call from this college in the range of 96 to 97 percentile. But if your profile is very good, you can expect a call even if you have scored 85 percentile in CAT. So that's the difference. Okay, now what makes a profile good, वो भी हम देखेंगे फटाफट. And this video has to be very short. So I'm just giving you the list. I'm just giving you the idea. You can further do the research by going on the respective college's website. So the first college, as we discussed, is SP Jain. The second college is ISB Hyderabad. Now यहाँ पे 1 year का course होता है and the fees comparatively is very high, but return is also good. It can fetch you a college who will it can fetch you a company which will give you a CTC of 24 to 25 lakhs on an average. The exams they accept is GMAT. Yes. Now next, GMAT में ना you can expect these colleges in the call from these ISB Hyderabad if you have scored somewhere around 690 to 710. 690 to 710, but profile based call के लिए you need to score much less marks. Now the third college in my list is Goa Institute of Management. The fees here is approximately 18 lakhs and the average CTC they offer is 11.4 not lakhs. Yes. And if they have a special, the exams they cater is CAT, ZAT and CMAT, but इनका एक achievers round है. If you manage based on the profile, if you manage to crack this round, it is very easy. And yes, काफी अच्छा college है. You'll get great exposure in Goa Institute of Management. The fourth college in my list is Great Lakes Chennai. The average fees is 19 to 20 lakhs approximately, and yes, average CTC is 13.6 not lakhs. The exams they accept is CAT, ZAT, and CMAT. Okay, they offer two courses. एक है PGDM and दूसरा है PGPM. Okay, PGDM is for those जिनका work experience is between 0 to 2 years. ठीक है, PGDM for 0 to 2 years, and second is PGPM जिनका experience 2 साल से ज्यादा का है. ठीक है. You can get calls for PGPM if you have work ex more than 2 years. तो कॉल बेस्ड प्रोफाइल ऑब्वियसली पीजीपीएम के लिए आता है. ओके, तो यू कैन expect a call if you have somewhere around 80 percentile in CAT and 85 percentile in CMAT. इस रेंज में you can expect the call. The next surprise inclusion is Bokkoni Mumbai. ठीक है, the package the fees is 22 lakhs per annum, but it seems quite high, but it is with international immersion. इसका मतलब क्या है, उनका एक सेमेस्टर पूरा का पूरा वो मिलान लेकर जाते हैं, and hence the cost is little high. Average CTC offered is 11.3 lakh, and the exams they cater as CAT, NMAT, and GMAT. Next in my list is Mica Ahmedabad. The average fees is 21 lakhs, and average CTC is 13.9 lakhs. The exam they cater is CAT, और उनका खुद का भी एग्जाम है BCAT. Yes. Now the courses they offer is PGDM and PGDMC. PGDMC Mass Communication का it is one of the highly rated courses in the country. ठीक है, PGDMC. Look for this course if you get this course. ठीक है. Last but not the least, the V School in Mumbai. The average fees is 13 to 14 lakhs, and the average CTC they offer is 9.2 lakhs. The exam they cater is CAT, ZAT, CMAT. So this list is just to give you an idea कि what you can look for. एक बार आप थोड़ा और research करो, go on their websites, look after their cut-ups, and yes, you can this ace the examination. You can clear these colleges and rounds, and you can have great packages. You can have a secure future. Now, how to build a good profile? A good profile consists of academic profile. Now, academic profile अच्छा किसको बोलते हैं? 90, 90 and 80 in my opinion is a very good academic profile. Work you should have 2+ years of relevant work experience. Relevant, okay. Co-curricular extracurricular activities, like in some past you have done something which shows your managerial skills, your leadership skills. So all that is counted in co-curricular activities. And certificate courses, if you have done some kind of relevant internship, certificate courses, so these four that will be counted. So these four that together make a good profile. Now if you wish to connect, or now you guys know, अगर आपने इस साल मिस कर दिया गलती से, so if you want to prepare for next year, you consider that your profile is good. You even with less marks here and there, you can manage a good college. And you, if you wish to connect with us, like for preparation, you know you what where to reach me out. You just search this Unacademy underscore Ashish on the Telegram, and you'll reach me out, and together we can discuss the strategies, and yes, how to crack the examination. Or even this year, if you are looking for some profile based call and you are confused, you can just reach me out over here. Okay, so having said that, best of luck. We'll meet again.